Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a power management tab missing in a device manager on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. Now you just need to copy the first text used in my video. Just to copy the first text. On right side, right click on the blank area and select new and select the word 32-bit value. Paste the text we copied, press enter, double click on it. Value data change to 0, click on OK. Just to close tab here, and you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. Now you just need to check my video description for this second text used in my video. Just to copy it, and now right click on the blank area and select a new. Select the word 32-bit value. Paste the text we copied and press enter. Double click on the value data and change this value data to 0. Click on OK and close stuff here. And now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the idea helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.